Okay, so yeah, it's not my favorite, but it's here. And we've got beautiful wild like geraniums here. Look at these, beautiful. Going all throughout the hawthorn on my son's side. It's got all this hawthorn. Beautiful, which gets berries that you can use and all kinds of stuff. And yeah, this geranium is old, maybe 100 years old. And these pots, I mean, you can see how huge these are. They're just beautiful. Look at these. Anyway, they're just huge and beautiful, and I love them all. But look, oh, this is a Mexican petunia. Look at that. That's really cool. Well, that's a geranium, but that's a Mexican petunia right there. These are, and that's just a ficus, an old fig. But look at this. 4 different kinds of dragon fruit I planted in here 2 years ago. And now finally one has a bloom on it. And they only last 24 hours. So I'm hoping maybe tonight it'll bloom. I hope it wasn't last night, but it sure is cool. And now I know it's gonna bloom. There's 4 other ones in here. They're super stickery. So I try to like let them just grow amongst the rest of it. Another ficus here. Super healthy though. It was almost dead when I got here. And then this old pot, an old jade, and this is an avocado pit I planted. Oh my God, look at it now. So that was two years old. Look at that. And this thing, yeah, that's about, God knows how old that is. But this is a Mexican sunflower plant. And there's a bunch of those in the backyard. But yeah, it looks really nice out here. And then, of course, look at the view. Well, this world might be upside down and inside out, but I have a lot to be grateful for. Yep.